I welcome you all back to my channel. My name is Aisha. In today's video, I'll be talking on how to read your tape. So I have my tape rule here with me. How do you read your tape? A tape, we have 60 inches in a tape. You can see from 1 to 60. So we have 60 inches in a tape. And to get your accurate and perfect fitting for your dress or your skirts, you need to know how to read your tape. That's very important. Because without knowing how to read your tape, you can't get your accurate measurements. So as you can see, we have 1 here, 2 here, 3 here, up to 60 inches. And on 1 inch, we have 8 lines on 1 inch. I will be counting it with you. You can see, let's count. Okay, let me fold this one in this way. So let's count to 2. You know there is iron here, so that we won't be confused. So let's count from after 1. So let me fold this one in this way. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 lines to get 1 inch. 8 lines to get 1 inch. So, and how do you calculate these 8 lines? Okay, let's start here. Assuming this is our 8 lines, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see 6, 7, 8. This is it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 lines here, and each line carries volume. So now we come here. 1. This is 1. 1. How many lines do we have here? We have 8 lines. 1 divided by 8. The first one. This is 2. 2 divided by 8. That's the second one. This is 3. 3 divided by 8. This is the fourth one. 4th. 4 divided by 8. 5th one. 5th one. So 5 divided by 8. So let me run this. And this is the 6th one. 6 divided by 8. This is the 7th. 7 divided by 8. And this is the last line, which is 8. 8 divided by 8. So now I will be making use of my calculator to get the result. So here I have my phone here with me. So 1 divided by 8. 1 divided by 8. That will give us 0.125. You can see. So here, 2. We have 2 all over 8. We can as well say 2 here 1, 2 here 4. So it will give us 1 all over 4. And 1 all over 4. 1 divided by 4. That will give us is 0 is equals to 0.25. So here we have 3 all over 8. So 3 divided by 8. That will give us is 0.375. Can you see? So and here we have 4 all over 8, and 4 can go in 8 also. So we can say 4 here 1, 4 here 2. So 4 here 1 and 4 in 8, it will give us 2. That's half. So 1 all over 2. 1 all over 2 is as well as is 0 points. So let me divide. Let's confirm. So 1 divided by 2. That will give us is 0.5. So that's half. So is 0.5. So here we have 5 all over 8. 5 divided by 8, that will give us is 0.625. And here 2 can as well go in 6 all over 8. So we can say 2 here 3 and 2 here 4. So this is it. So we can as well say 3 divided by 4. That will give us is 0.75, which is 3/4 of an inch. This is 3/4 of an inch, as well known as 3/4 of an inch. So 7 divided by 8. 7 divided by 8. Give us 0.875. And 8 divided by 8. 8 here 1, 8 here 1. So that will give us 1. So that's how we arrive at 1 inch. So from here to here. So that's how we arrive at 1 inch. You can see this is 1 inch. So half inch is also known as 1 all over 2 or is 0.5. So your tape this way. So this is half an inch of 1 inch. You can see this is it. You can see it. We have 5.125. So 5.125 on our tape. Just go to where you have your 5 inches. This is your 5 inches line. You can see this line. This bold line is your 5 inches line. So the line that follow that 5 inches line is 5.125. So your 5.125 is here. You can see this is it. Supposing you have 5.3. So that's the third line here, from here to here. You can see the line before this line. So you can see this line is 5.3. So 5.3 You can see this line is 5.3. So it's very easy to read your tape. So we are cutting flare, and the waist of our client is 37. The waist of our client is 37. I will be adding 1 inch to our waist. The 1 inch is for our zip allowance, so making 38. And we'll be using 6.28. I'll come here. The total of our waist now is 38 divided by 6.28. 6.28. So we have 6.05. 6.05. So now our 6.05 on our tape is here. So we have our 6 points. This is 6 inches. You can see 6. This is 6 inches. This bold line here. This is 6. So our 6.05 is in between these two lines. 6.05. So it's here. You can see. So 6.05 is here. So our 6.05 is here. You can see this in between these two lines. That's where our 6.05 is. You can see. So that's how you get your. So assuming you want to get maybe, okay, let's say like 25 points, let me say 25.35. You can approximate, but as well you can still leave it. So 25. The third line after 25, that's where our 25.35 will be. 25.35 is here. So you can see. So it's here. So that's how to read your tape. 3/4 of an inch is also known as 3/4 or 0.75. Maybe 1/4. So this is 1/4. You can see it here. This is it. 0. Is also known as 0.25. So it's very easy to read your tape. And if you can read your tape very well, I bet you will have accurate measurement on a perfect fitting on any garment you are sewing. So all about reading of tape. If you find this video helpful, kindly give it a thumbs up. If you have any question or suggestion, you can drop it in the comment section below. Kindly subscribe to my channel and make sure you turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thanks for watching. Bye.